Okay guys, we're at Tim Hortons and I'll be grabbing some coffee and donuts. I just got my donuts and getting my coffee too. I've ordered a vanilla cream cold brew. Okay, I'll be trying out the coffee first. There's a bit of a coffee taste to it. The coffee does have like a little bit of bitter taste to it. There's a little bit of milk flavor. Not bad. Got some donuts, one chocolate ball, I'm not sure what's this. It's just a regular donut, I guess. A regular chocolate donut. Okay, let's try this one out first. Okay, let's try this. Yep, it's good. The donut is soft. It doesn't really have much of chocolate taste to it. Okay, now I'll be trying at this. The donut is soft. It is a little bit of sweet. When you eat it, it does have like has like this smooth texture to it. I think the dough is better than Dunkin' Donuts. We'll give the ball rating of 3. We'll give the chocolate donut a 3 out of 5 rating. The donuts are good. Okay guys, if you guys like this video, like and subscribe for more of my videos. Thank you for watching this video. Okay guys, if you guys want more information in this place, it's going to be down below this video. Okay guys, if you guys want to leave some comments below this video, you can. Okay guys, this is Trader's Quest. See ya.